been a couple days. I haven't gotten much done quite yet. I did have these brackets made. They bolt up to the original hood mounts, and I have them both tacked up here. The only issue is if it wasn't supported here, it's super bouncy because it's just one bolt hole. And so I figured I need something up here. So I talked to my aluminum dealer, and I got this piece here. This is going to be perfect. Let's go from this bolt hole, probably flatten the top. That's going to be money. And it's going to look good too, I think, anyways. It's going to be functional. It'll look better than just some flat bar. So we have a little less than 1 month to get the VTEC W running. So I made a little list for the first startup, and this isn't the complete list. This is the first pop off. And so we complete the engine harness, mount the intercooler, exhaust, double check fuel system, intake tube, paint valve cover, and valve cover and intake gasket. Alright. After some off-camera work, got the valve cover painted, got the intercooler mounted, got all the gaskets in between all the exhaust and the intake manifold. Next step is going to be the throttle body, and I made a little oopsie to get the engine coolant temp sensor there. Machined a little hole into the upper coolant housing, and if I put the throttle body the way it's supposed to, it's going to smack the throttle cable. So we're going to figure that out. I'm considering mounting it upside down. We will have to see. But thanks for watching. Next video is going to be startup. We're so freaking close. Thanks again. All right, update on the upper coolant housing. We had an issue of the sensor running into the side of the throttle body, which, I should have checked that. I didn't. It didn't even occur to me that I might have ran into it. So, found a bolt that's going to fit into the hole with a crush gasket. Got to cut it down. It's just a 10 millimeter by 1.125 or by 1.25. I'm going to drill it right there. That's going to be a trick. Bolt's going to be a little tricky, but that's going to be all right. We can move it. I've scribed a little line there that should give the bolt enough clearance, and it's not going to interfere with this at all. That's the update.